Let's take a new look at microscopy from a fresh perspective, a better perspective. With the Lionheart Automated Microscope and Gen 5 software, it's easier than ever to capture high-quality images and run powerful analysis. Traditional microscopy is powerful, but can be challenging. Just imagine sitting at the bench, visualizing your images without spending hours in a dark room, or automatically counting cells without using a tedious manual clicker, or working with a live cell assay setup without complex hardware and software. Some manual inverted microscopes can be expanded for digital microscopy. However, it requires adding a camera, automated stage, and other hardware. Live cell assays add a greater level of complexity with additional components required to help maintain temperature, gas, and humidity levels. Is there an alternative to the traditional, complex, and expensive microscopy systems? Lionheart Automated Microscope, with its affordable, integrated hardware and easy-to-use, powerful software, offers a better perspective for endpoint and live cell microscopy. This compact system integrates all the major microscopy components into an automated platform for digital wide-field microscopy. This design ensures quick setup and implementation with a short learning curve. There's easy access to the automated 6-objective turret and the slider, which holds up to 4 LED filter cubes. The environmental cover maintains temperature, gas, and humidity levels for live cell workflows. 4 channels capture endpoint and time-lapse images in fluorescence, bright field, color bright field, and phase contrast. The magnification range is 1.25x to 100x air and oil immersion. Beyond capturing beautiful images, the power of Lionheart is in augmented microscopy, which automatically processes and analyzes images to generate quantitative data for a broad range of applications. For example, Gen 5 automatically counts cells as shown here, using a pre-processing step to increase contrast. The software tracks and plots cell counts over time. Samples with 3D structures are imaged using Z-stacks. The Z-projected images are analyzed and the data graphed, all in Gen 5. Large samples, like H&E stained tissue slices, are captured in tiled images, then automatically stitched into a single image for both micro and macro analyses. With its integrated compact design, Lionheart is surprisingly affordable, a fraction of the cost of a manual system equipped with multiple add-on modules for automation and live cell imaging. Lionheart FX is ideal for live cell imaging workflows, while Lionheart LX meets the needs of automated endpoint microscopy. Lionheart brings your science to life, capturing spectacular images, Z-stacks, montages, and time-lapse sequences with ease. Lionheart Automated Microscopes offer a new perspective, a better perspective, that will help your laboratory reach its research goals.